This is my precision tool set. I gotta say it's a pretty terrible design for the packaging because none of these tool bits are holding in any way. So if I were to knock it over, this would happen, and then I would spend the next 5 minutes pick up all the bits, and I would just put them back in the order as I found them. I was gonna throw it away, considering this is a big flaw and it happened more often than I wanted to. However, I got this idea. I'm thinking if I use super glue to glue a piece of magnet in the middle. So I bought a bunch of these neodymium 1/8 inch diameter magnets. I put one here in the back and put a bit in the front. It can hold it in just fine. Doesn't fall off anymore. Okay, now I can just shake it. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's no wonder that this particular model of precision tool is not being sold anymore, because I consider that it keeps dumping the tool bits out as a pretty big flaw.